Hello there, my name is Morgan and I'm from Missouri. I've lived on both sides of the state. I currently reside in the St. Louis area. I actually went to school here and I got my BSW. And during my practicum, I was at a domestic violence shelter. And then shortly after my practicum, I was offered a full time position. So I've been there for a year and a half, a little bit over that. Um, and I work with women and children, and these women have fled from their intimate partners. I so pretty much being there, I figured out what I wanted to do with my life, and I wanted to work with people who have gone through immense trauma, and that's why I picked Widener, is because they did have that trauma focus that I was looking for. A little personal about me is that I grew up as an Army brat. Both my parents served, so there's a lot of transition. Uh, then eventually we moved to Kansas City because my dad's from there. And so I grew up as a big Royals and Chiefs fan. It was pushed on us on a very young age. So us, I mean me and my brothers. And then so growing up, I really enjoyed being outdoors, like going hiking, fishing, kayaking. And I still love doing those things. But right now in Missouri, it flooded really bad. So I'm kind of waiting for those areas to recover from the flooding. And I'm really excited about starting my MSW. And I'm excited to meet everyone. I watched some of your videos and it looks like everyone's from different areas. So I'm excited to hear your stories and get to know you. So everyone, good luck. And I'll meet you soon.